There are three IPOs that are currently there, RR Kabel, Samhi Hotels and Zaggle Prepaid. Now, RR Kabel is looking to raise close to 1,960 crore rupees, while Samhi is looking to raise close to 1,370, and Zaggle Prepaid is a bit smaller one, around 560 crore rupees of IPO size is what we are getting in. Now, the for RR Kabel, if you see, the OFS is a higher part at around 1,780, where the promoters and TPG are looking to sell stake. In Samhi Hotels, it's the fresh issue that is on the higher side, around 1,200 crore rupees that the company is looking to raise, and the amount will be used by the company to repay that debt. And when it comes to Zaggle Prepaid, they are looking to raise close to 392 crore rupees, which is via fresh issue, and they will be using this for customer acquisition and for product development. Firstly, moving on to RR Kabel, if you see now compared to peer, the company's revenue growth has been a bit faster, but on the earnings side, the growth has been but slower because of raw material prices changing, and because of which, even if you see the company's margins, they have also declined to around 5.8% from 8.3% that was there 3 years back. On the valuation side, RR Kabel is a bit expensive. On FY24 valuation stands at around 45 times, but if you see the FY25 valuations, it's at around 35 times, which is comparatively cheaper when compared to its peers like Polycab, Finolex Cables and KEI. When it comes to Samhi Hotels, now that company has seen a higher growth rate on the revenue front, at least compared to its peers like Lemon Tree and Indian Hotels. Also on the EBITDA front, the company's growth rate was much higher, but that was also because of a lower base and higher operating costs that the company had seen in the base quarter. Also, do remember, Samhi Hotels has been continuously making losses for the last 3 financial years, while its peers are profit making. When it comes to EV to EBITDA, that is the valuation, Samhi Hotels is on a cheaper side, around 15 times as compared to its peers, which are trading in the range of around 20 to 26 times. But this could be also because of the fact that Samhi Hotel has been loss making, despite the fact that the hotel industry has reported strong profits in the financial year FY23. And lastly, when it comes to Zaggle, it's a new company. It has no listed peer currently. In the pre-IPO fund, they have raised 98 crore from very well-known investors like Ashish Kacholia and ValueQuest. If you see company's revenue growth, it has been around 32%. EBITDA growth and net profit growth has been a bit on the slower side, but that was because in FY23, the company had around 14 crore of ESOP expenses, which were a one-time cost. Removing these two expenses, the net profit growth and EBITDA growth has been fairly better for the company. On the valuation side, if you see, based on FY23 P, if you adjust for the ESOP expenses, the valuation stands at around 60 times, and if you check at the FY24 valuations, they are at 50 times. The company's valuations are quite demanding, but do remember that there are no listed peers, and the business model of Zaggle is quite unique in the industry.